Okay, well, today we did see a few of those clouds earlier today, and then also as we made our way into the afternoon, we did see some breaks in the clouds, and all the rain is now well off to our south. Some very intense thunderstorms as you head down into Illinois and also into Missouri, but for us across the UP, we are quieting down, but it is still chilly outside. Temperatures sitting in those 40s, and some of us trying to make our way into the 50s, but either way, it's a pretty cool start for us. Here's a look at your current conditions. 43 degrees with mostly cloudy skies in place, winds out of the northeast at 14 miles per hour. Lower 40s in Marquette, farther off to the west. You'll notice temperatures in the upper 40s in Ironwood at 48 degrees. More of those middle 40s in Altonagon. Cooler in Houghton at 41, but 50 showing up in Florence and in Menominee. And eastward, seeing some of the same numbers. Lower 40s in Munising, middle 40s in St. Ignace. Escanaba sitting at 48 degrees and Ishpeming at 43. Winds coming in from the southeast at 12 in Houghton, but otherwise northeast at 8 in Iron Mountain, 12 in Escanaba, and Munising sitting at 15, so a bit breezy out there. And when you do add in the wind to the current temperatures, you'll notice wind chills are in the 30s and the 40s and 50s here into Iron Mountain, but 36 in Marquette and 44 in Escanaba. And temperature-wise, when it comes to the air, we're seeing more of those 40s and 50s across the UP, and also the same as you head down into the lower peninsula. Our headlines tonight, definitely going to feel the chill. Overnight temperatures are expected in the mid and upper 20s. A pretty chilly evening, but also we could even see some areas, if there are going to be more of those clear skies and lighter winds in place, could even drop into the lower 20s. So definitely dress warmly tonight and if you're going to be heading out early tomorrow morning. We remain on the cooler side as we head into the afternoon, especially farther north, right along Lake Superior. Highs only expected in the 40s, but seeing lots of sunshine, and then on into tomorrow night, mostly quiet, and it looks like we'll remain mostly quiet for the majority of this week. Looking at our setup right now, mild air trying to return back from the south, but really not going to see a lot of it at all. It will be definitely warmer than what we saw yesterday, but we'll definitely cool, and we'll also see more of those drier conditions as we go on into tomorrow, but temperatures still below that average mark. Our next system working through the Great Lakes looks to be across the southern Great Lakes as it goes down into Illinois, Indiana, and down into Ohio. Your futurecast model tonight, mostly clear skies, very quiet for us. Another quiet day as we head into Wednesday, which looks to be very sunny for us there, and then we'll get into Thursday as we'll watch for this system to just move to our south. It tries to move northward with some moisture. I think chances are going to be too low on this. Not going to include it in the forecast here, but we do see a few more of those clouds from this disturbance before things quiet back down on into the end of the work week. Tonight we'll drop down to 24, a clear and very cold evening with winds that should be light for us, especially lighter than what we are seeing right now. On into tomorrow afternoon, plenty of sunshine on the way. Highs reaching the 40s and the 50s. Winds anywhere between 10 to 15 miles per hour out of the northeast. 51 in Ontonagon, at 46 in Lawrence, middle 50s in Florence, at 50 degrees in Escanaba, and 50 in Manistee. Here's a look at the forecast over the next few days. Yes, we are expecting temperatures to rebound just a bit for us Wednesday and Thursday in the middle 40s, but back into the lower 50s as we head into Friday, still just a bit below where we should be for this time of the year. Another lower 50 day as we head into Saturday, mostly sunny skies, so not too bad of a start to the weekend for us, and not too bad either as we head into Sunday. Just a bit cool out there with a high of 47. Numbers return into the 50s as we head into next Monday and Tuesday, as we'll be under mostly cloudy skies, and also expecting upper 30s to be in the forecast for us there when it comes to our overnight lows, but not really in terms of much rain in the forecast. You'll notice pretty much dry. Yes, we'll watch to see if that system does work its way just a bit farther to the north as we head into Thursday, but other than that, expecting to remain very quiet.